Okay, so let's get started on some drums. The first thing you want to do is set up a drum bus. This is so you can have separate channels all controlled by one bigger channel as far as processing goes. When you add an EQ or a compressor or whatever you want on one channel, it's going to affect all of these channels below it. So you can either right click on a group of channels here and hit group tracks, or you can choose Control G or Command G, I guess would be on a Mac. And that's going to get you a group set up like you have here. And then when you add effects or what have you, you can add, let's say you wanted to add reverb to all of these drums. Simply just drag it into the drum bus, and then now you have the reverb is going to affect the kick, the snare, the claps, the hats, percussion, the fills. So for certain effects like compression, it's convenient to have a drum bus set up like so. It is more of a cohesive result when you process the drums together as opposed to processing them separately as far as, you know, dragging a separate compressor onto the kick, onto the snare, the clap. Some people want to do that, but I find that you get a much more cohesive result when you drag your effects onto one drum bus, and it makes it sound like the drums are all working together and they're more designed to sound that way.